friends, today I'm going to show you how to use Renderforest on the phone version. So this just came out 2 days ago and it already has 10,000 downloads and 320 reviews. So this and a lot of people reviewed it, and I think the people are being blind, the people that had rated it so bad, and they all say that they have been waiting for this app so long. So you can download this app on Play Store or App Store if you want. So you open it, you see templates. So if you come here to more, you see this one marker right here. You won't have that. You will have sign in the place of upgrade. So you will sign in, come here, and you can just logo opening. So I can show you this logo. A lot of people use this. I have seen a ton of YouTubers use this one. A ton of YouTubers use it. And this is like TikTok shade. I don't know. So you can. My personal favorite is this one, the Minecraft redstone cube. So let's create it. So I can put a logo or image here, gallery, Peppa, hosted in the basement if you see it. We can edit it. Like, if you see, they keep a hostage in their basement. So that was a fun Easter egg for you. Peppa's family here, hostage there. Sick. So we can crop it out like this. Perfect. Great, done. Okay, so Peppa, her hostage, her family. So we can come here to style. So there are a bunch of openings like this. This is the Minecraft redstone cube kind. See? It looked like Minecraft redstone cube. And this one looks like more of a blue version. The blue is much more beautiful, so I'm gonna change it. Then you can come here to fonts and okay. You can buy that, upgrade something. You can add music. Okay? There are a bunch of default musics, so I can add them. Great. So now I can come here. So if you want, you can buy the high quality plan, but I have the premium one right now. I have like the free one right now. So you can buy the premium one if you want. So it will give you much more variations of it, and it will give you a lot much better quality. So I'm just gonna free preview for now. And we see Randy here playing tennis casually, looking at us like, what's chillin', bro? Mustache. Great. So if you see it here, there is a you can close this right here. You see? So we can press this close button here. So, and we can watch more previews while our video is loading. And I'm telling you, a lot of YouTubers use this. I have personally seen YouTubers using this, and they bought the without watermark. So they are honest people. So we are going to just look at more. So, okay, so we can slideshow. Time to take out your next world show to the neutral level. There are a lot. You can make some inspiration stuff with it. You can make YouTube stuff with it. There are a bunch of stuff you can do with it, like zombie apocalypse, news, YouTube, and a lot of other stuff. So we're going to just go to my videos. Blazing Cube logo. We'll just preview it. What the heck is this? Don't get mad that Renderforest is dancing there. But, and Peppa, that was the song of Renderforest dancing that I put on this video, if you didn't know. So, there is a watermark right here. And if you want to delete the watermark, you have to buy the premium plan, which will cost you. So you come here, you press the upgrade sign. See? And you can buy some passes, like light and amateur. There are a lot of passes, like yearly, monthly. Great. These are great deals. So you can make high quality videos for your YouTube. And you can remove watermarks. Great. Okay, so there are a lot of stuff. Oh, this is Renderforest, is the oldest logo. That was Renderforest's oldest logo. Great. That brings back some memories. Animations. So we have the 3D kit. Okay, we can add some scenes like office animation. Like there are a bunch of stuff like male characters. Like I can put this. Like add scene, male characters. Add scene, male characters. This. Okay. So I can type my text right here. So I'll type, hi guys, I hate your soul. That's not a nice thing to say, but okay. Okay, great, done. Done and done. Add scene. Female characters. I can write here like, hi, I'm a cook. How to cook you. So there are a bunch of silly things you can do with this. We can edit the style, like 3D look and like flat look. This is really fun doing it. So transitions, like, hey, the where that scene changes, like there are a bunch of stuff, a bunch of ways the scene can change. It can change like boring like this. It can change like this, like slide and stuff. It can change like this. It can change with a hand doing it. So there are a bunch of fun variations to this. I personally like the hand one. I personally like this one. So we're just gonna go with that. Color. We can select the color background. Oh, this is so great. Okay, you can customize your colors, but I'm just gonna go with. So, voiceover. Okay, I'll put just Renderforest dance video. I'm gonna free preview it. So we see Randy here dancing and stuff, playing some tennis, chilling. Okay, so as you saw, this thing written here. you can close the page if needed, right? And if you get mad, just remember that your video is rendering or is in queue. And that's what the acorn is loading. I know, fun, right? Right, so we'll just wait for it to go to 100%. Yes, I did it by myself. Like, I can just like done. Okay, so I'll wait for it to render out. Okay. Why is it 100%? Is it still rendering? Okay, so we can watch this way. I can download it. Hi guys, I hate your soul. Swipe. Hi, I'm a cook you. Created by Renderforest.com. So you can remove the watermark like HD, and you can buy this. Removing watermark. This is super expensive for removing watermark, but okay, you can buy it if you want. If you're super extra and you're picky about your video, then here, buy it. So there are a bunch of explainer kits, packs. You can mess with these as well as much as you like. I'm just gonna do a quick slideshow one, and we'll finish off with this video. So we're adding a scene, like image holders, like full screen text, image text here. How do I text it? Text field. Why did you do this? I'm just gonna write whatever comes to mind. Okay, image. So we'll just add the image gallery, as always, Peppa with her hostage. So I think this is done. I don't know what to do with this anymore. I'll do this. We can add another one with video holders. Stupid. Your logo here. Add video. Video? What do you mean video? Gallery. I don't have videos. Yes. Black. Right, the thing that I like the most. Black screens. Oh, wait a minute. Replace. I have parkour fail compilation. What? Your current plan allows cancel? Okay, can I just crop it? Okay, this is my one of my last videos. Great. We can add another thing like logo animation. Your logo here. Well, you already know. Text field 1. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Done. And has a hostage in her basement. Great. Whatever. Just done. Done and done. Style. What is this? Current style. Okay, this one. Music. Oh, you know me. So, as always, we're gonna free preview it because I don't have the premium pass. Even though my father is the programmer of this site, I don't have the premium pass. Don't know why. This is getting boring. I am going to draw all over the screen for me to not get bored. And I really like this arrow because I can show you guys whatever I want to show you, or stuff that I can show it to you because you're not with me, and I can show you it by my finger. So that helps me out a lot. And by the way, the site's name is the recorder that I use is X Recorder. So you can download it for free on Play Store, not App Store. Great. So now we're going to wait for the number on the acorn to load up, and we are going to be ready to go. Acorn, can you please load? What are you doing so much? Okay, your video will be available in my videos page once your rendering is finished. I don't see how it's gonna be finished. Because it's loading up 1% every 10 seconds. This is so tiring. Yay. I just deleted it. Great. So. What can I do this? We are drawing. Draw. One step on the gas. Okay, this is getting super boring. I'll be back when the video is rendered. Well, that took a while, but we're here with a rendered video. So let's watch it. Why did you do this? Me. Okay, this is so embarrassing. This is me literally being dumb. Okay, this is... So this was like the poop professor be like that dumb professor that can't put that evenly in it. This was like one of okay. Peppa Pig has a hostage in her basement. Okay, so great. And it's repeating. So I'm going to finish off the video here. So go to Play Store, search up Renderforest, download it, and then make your own files. So that was it for today, guys. Today was very fun. We got to look at some new Renderforest stuff, and like we have a lot of stuff, and as you see, choose from 1,000 templates. Like it has quite a lot of. Add an Easter egg. This is an iPhone. That's an Easter egg for ya, boomers. And that's it. Then this is the hot explosion logo opening that most of the YouTubers use. So they tried to be they were edgy and put these right where it cuts off, so it looks like this part. So it looks like this part completes this part. You see. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll watch these homies here. Just don't care.